Hello everyone, in this tutorial I would like to quickly show you how you change your template from the full item edit. Just to remind you, when you go and you upload a new listing from the uploader, you choose right at the beginning, you choose your template. But once you're already in the upload page, you don't have an option to change the template. So if you wish to change the template, you have to go to the full item edit. How do you do that? You either click here, edit, and then click on the green button full item edit, or you can just click from the active listings on the image itself. So I did that, and it will open in a new tab. And down here I can go down to the images. This is the current template of this listing. I can just select a different one, let's say Halloween, and then I click refresh template. Now the system will take again all the details from Amazon, but notice this, it will keep the title that I've been using for the listing. It will keep the same title in the description. So here's our Halloween sale. I have the same title and everything was changed as I wanted. All I need to do now is just save the changes and we're done. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next tutorial.